musical. So this time around, ito naman yung title of course, the musical, but in song form. So, how would you describe how important this song is to the whole musical?
I think it holds everything in the musical, not only with the lyrics itself, but the tune. Hindi namin, kasi bumilibok lang siya sa lahat ng mga kanta namin within the musical.
Ayan, pakinggan natin si Akira kasi alam ko very vocally challenging itong last song. So without kaya yan. And without further ado, here is Tabing Ilog. We have Sheena Bellarino and of course BGYO Akira closing off their set on Wish 1075. Well, here on Wish 1075 Wishers, once again, you heard Sheena Bellarino and BGYO Akira. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Any message real quick to all of our wishers?
Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta po sa amin, sa lahat ng katulad, sa lahat po ng ACES, and sa pamilya ko na pumunta dito. Maraming salamat po. And konbanwa, arigatou gozaimasu.
I just want to say thank you so much sa mga pumunta po dito sa Taguig to watch us and sa mga show, mga mall-goers. Enjoy the Wish 1075. Yun lang. Thank you so much po. Manood po yung Taguig.
Thank you. Till next time, guys. And so, with that, wishers, you move on to even more of your favorite hits to the pop. Thank you, Vanish.